Hi everyone, hope all is well. Kane here. I'll be summarizing another article from the recent Homes magazine found at your local newsstand. Today, we'll be discussing how you can potentially take advantage of low interest rates in a real estate market. After a challenging few years, Canadians may finally see some light at the end of the tunnel. Interest rates, which skyrocketed during a period of rapid hikes, are now taking a downward turn, presenting new opportunities for homebuyers and investors alike. As the Bank of Canada announced its fourth rate cut of the year, this moment in time could be a unique window for those looking to enter or re-enter the housing market. For the average working Canadian, these changes could mean a significant shift in housing affordability. After years of playing defense against rising mortgage costs, the recent rate cuts are making home ownership more accessible again. Whether you're someone saving for a down payment on your first home, or you're eyeing an upgrade to accommodate a growing family, this shift in the financial landscape might be what you've been waiting for. Why have rates fallen? To understand why this drop in interest rate is happening, it's important to look at the larger economic picture. Over the past few years, the Bank of Canada increased rates to combat high inflation. The goal was to slow down spending, which in turn would bring down the cost of goods and services. While this approach helped stabilize inflation, it also had some side effects, among them making borrowing more expensive. Higher mortgage rates pushed many prospective homebuyers to the sidelines, waiting for conditions to improve. Now, however, inflation is beginning to stabilize and the Canadian economy is showing resilience. The Bank of Canada has responded by lowering interest rates to encourage borrowing and spending once again, aiming to keep the economy growing steadily without overheating. For many working Canadians, this is a welcoming change that directly affects their ability to borrow, invest, and plan for the future. What does this mean for home buyers? For those currently employed and thinking about buying a home, the recent cuts would translate into real estate financial relief. Lower interest rates mean lower monthly mortgage payments. For people who has been waiting on the sidelines, this reduction in borrowing costs could make a previously unaffordable home now within reach. Not only that, but the timing could work in your favor for several other reasons. Right now, the market conditions are more favorable for buyers than they have been in a while. With less competition, you may have more room to negotiate prices with sellers. Builders and developers are also offering more incentives, like upgrading features or reducing costs to attract buyers in a cooling market. For many professionals, this balance between affordability and reduced competition presents a rare opportunity. If you've been sitting on a fence, wondering when the right time to act is, this might be your moment. Real estate as a long-term investment. Another key point to consider is real estate's long-standing reputation as one of the most stable investments. While stocks, bonds, and other investments are prone to market volatility, real estate tends to appreciate over time, and with interest rates expected to continue on this downward trend, the potential for future property value growth is strong. If you're currently working and saving, this could be an ideal time to diversify your financial portfolio by investing in property. Investing in real estate could give you a tangible, appreciating asset that provides stability in uncertain economic times. What's your next move? As you think about your financial future, consider the ways in which lowering interest rates could open doors for you in the real estate market. Could this be the opportunity you've been waiting for to buy your first home, or perhaps make a strategic investment in property? While it's impossible to predict exactly how long this rate drop will last, the current climate presents a compelling case for action. This video is meant to inform about the current state of the real estate market. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.